If you're looking to get fit from the comfort of your own home, an elliptical trainer is a great option to consider. Not only does it provide a full-body workout, targeting both your upper and lower body, but it's also low impact, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or those recovering from an injury. With its smooth and natural motion, you'll be able to get an efficient cardiovascular workout without putting too much stress on your joints. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best elliptical machines you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Bowflex Max Total 16. The Bowflex Max Total 16 is the perfect solution for those looking to improve their fitness routine and take their workouts to the next level. This elliptical machine boasts a weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. It tracks important stats like time, heart rate, calories burned, burn rate, and interval, allowing you to monitor your progress and make the necessary adjustments to reach your fitness goals. With dimensions of 49.3 by 30.8 by 65.7 inches, this machine is ideal for those who have limited space in their homes or apartments. The assembly of the machine is easy, and the touchscreen is measuring 16 inches, making it easier to see and navigate. It is also Bluetooth compatible, so you can connect your heart rate band or other compatible devices. To take full advantage of the elliptical, you'll need a Wi-Fi connection and a membership with the Bowflex program, JRNY. The good news is that you'll get a free year of JRNY, so you can start using the machine to its full potential right away. With a price of $2,229, the Bowflex Max Total 16 is a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their fitness game. Number 4. Nautilus E618. The Nautilus E618 elliptical machine is the perfect choice for those who want a gym-quality workout at home. With a smooth ride, adjustable heel support, and a balanced and stable experience, this elliptical is designed to provide a natural and effortless stride. The machine has 29 training programs that you can follow to reach your fitness goals and can hold up to 350 pounds, making it versatile for people of all sizes. Additionally, it syncs your workout stats via Bluetooth to the Nautilus Explore the World app, which lets you exercise virtually in 19 different locations. The dimensions of the machine are 73 by 27 by 67 inches, making it a great size for any home gym. However, assembling the machine may take longer than expected, and the Bluetooth technology is not multifunctional, so you can't connect other devices to it. If you're looking for a high-quality elliptical machine with a price of $955, the Nautilus E618 is a perfect choice. Number 3. Schwinn 470. The Schwinn 470 elliptical trainer is a great option for those looking for a comfortable and intuitive machine. The assembly process is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and illustrations in the manual. The design of the machine is sleek and modern, with a smaller footprint than expected for its size. The machine is sturdy and doesn't wobble, making it suitable for people of different weights and heights. The 20-inch stride length is ideal for those over 6 feet tall. The pedals are smooth and comfortable, with large foot plates, and the pedaling is quiet, making for a smooth and comfortable workout. The digital monitor is straightforward, with a display that uses letters and numbers, but could be improved with a touchscreen. Despite this, the Schwinn 470 makes up for it by offering 25 levels of resistance and 29 workout programs. The Schwinn 470 elliptical trainer has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, tracks time, distance, and calories, and transfers metrics via Bluetooth to the Explore the World app. Its dimensions are 70.1 by 28.2 by 63.2 inches. If you're looking for a machine that feels comfortable and gets the job done, the Schwinn 470 is the one for you. Its current price is $1,099. Number 2. ProForm Carbon HIIT H7. The ProForm Carbon H7 is a compact elliptical machine that combines performance and space-saving design. With its vertical design, it takes up about half the space of a regular elliptical machine and provides a better workout intensity and a higher calorie burn. The 10-inch vertical and 5-inch horizontal elliptical pads were intentionally combined to target specific areas of the body, such as the glutes and the backs of the thighs. Despite its compact design, the Carbon H7 provides a zero-impact workout, making it a great option for those who want to reduce stress on their body. Additionally, it is equipped with silent magnetic resistance, making it considerably quieter than other ellipticals. It is also equipped with HIIT, a workout guidance system, and a 7-inch HD touchscreen console. The ProForm Carbon H7 has a weight capacity of 325 pounds and tracks heart rate, speed, time, distance, calories burned, and incline-decline stats. Its dimensions are 29.25 by 52 by 66.7 inches, and it is priced at $1,799. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 14.9. The NordicTrack Commercial 14.9 is a top-of-the-line elliptical machine that offers a comprehensive fitness experience. This machine boasts an adjustable stride length, a 14-inch color touchscreen, cushioned pedals, auto-adjustment capabilities, and Bluetooth connectivity. Additionally, it is fully integrated with HIIT, an immersive training platform that gives users access to elite personal trainers and guided workouts. The 14.9 comes with a free month of HIIT family membership, which then costs $39 a month. The NordicTrack Commercial 14.9 is designed to be ultra-quiet with smooth movement due to its heavy flywheel and magnetic resistance. When working out through HIIT, users are taken through simulated terrain with automatic incline and resistance adjustment, making for a truly immersive and realistic experience. While the 14.9 offers all the features a fitness enthusiast could want, it is quite large and can take up a lot of space in a home gym. The price is $2,960. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.